Did you know that your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste from your blood? Taking care of your kidneys is essential for overall health. In this video, we'll be sharing 12 powerful fruits that can help cleanse your kidneys fast. First up, we have lemons. Lemons are packed with citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones. Squeeze some lemon juice into your water for a refreshing and kidney-friendly drink. Next, we have watermelon. This hydrating fruit is not only delicious, but it also contains high levels of water, which can help flush out toxins from your kidneys. Third on our list is cranberries. These tart berries are known for preventing urinary tract infections, thanks to their antibacterial properties. Including cranberries in your diet can benefit your kidneys. Moving on, we have pineapple. This tropical fruit contains an enzyme called bromelain, which can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and promote their health. Number 5 is grapes. Grapes are rich in antioxidants and can help protect your kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Plus, they make a sweet and healthy snack. Next up, we have apples. Apples are not only delicious but also contain a high amount of fiber and antioxidants. They can help improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Let's not forget about pomegranates. Pomegranate juice has been shown to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, benefiting kidney health. Enjoy a glass of this vibrant fruit juice. Number 8 is berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these fruits are packed with antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Moving on, we have oranges. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. They also promote the production of urine, which aids in flushing out toxins. Next, we have cucumber. This hydrating vegetable is low in potassium and can help regulate blood pressure, making it beneficial for kidney health. Number 11 is cherries. Cherries are not only delicious but also contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Including cherries in your diet can help reduce the risk of kidney disease. Finally, we have bananas. Bananas are excellent for kidney health as they are low in protein and rich in potassium. They can help maintain the balance of electrolytes in your body. Remember, incorporating these 12 fruits into your diet can aid in kidney cleansing and overall kidney health. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.